What if I told you that you can design an automated AI assistant for your own business without writing a single line of code? The AI assistant that replies to your users 24/7 on behalf of your business. Sounds powerful, right? So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a fully automated AI assistant for your own business using an automation tool named as Pabbly Chatflow. So this is the WhatsApp AI assistant that we will be creating in this video. It will answer all of your users' queries without you touching your phone. And I want you to know that I have designed this automated AI assistant for HR recruiters, but you can customize the same AI assistant for your own business too. The logic will be the same. Now, without wasting any time, let's start building this automated AI assistant from the scratch. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatbot. So Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. In this page, on the right-hand side, you will see two options: sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I just want to share something extremely important with you. If you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Here, after doing the sign-in process, you will be see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. If you also want to add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options named as WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. Check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I have shared the link of the video in the description below. Now, as we are creating an AI assistant, so I will click on this AI assistant button. Then you will become in this AI assistant page where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. As we are creating a new AI assistant, so I will click on this plus AI assistant button. Then it will ask me to enter the name that I am going to enter as AI sales chatbot that boosts conversation by 10x. After that, I will click on this add AI assistant button and see. You will become in this page. This is the starting page where you can design your AI assistant. At first, you have to select the instructions type that I am going to select as AI agent C. Instructions type defines as how the AI should reply and how it behave. In simple words, these are the rules that the AI assistant should follow. You can also customize these instructions if you want to. Moving forward, the next one is the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Next, you have to select the model provider that I am going to select as OpenAI. After that, the model I am going to select as GPT-4o mini. Next is the API key field where you have to paste the API key. Now, for getting this API key, you just have to click on this OpenAI API keys page, and then you will become in this OpenAI platform. Here you have to know that the OpenAI account has a paid API balance. Although OpenAI provides free trial credits, these credits often expire quickly or have very low usage limit. For a WhatsApp bot to respond instantly and consistently without errors, a paid API balance is required. After that, you just have to click on this plus create new secret key button. Then it asks me to enter the name. It is an optional, so I am leaving this blank and selecting the project as default, and the permission is all. After that, I will click on this create secret key button. See, I got my API key that I am going to copy from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, you just have to click on this connect button and see it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the AI assistant settings, where the first one is the header message. The header message is the message that was sent to the users at the start of the conversation. As it is mainly used for welcome messages or short introduction. So if you want to add any header message, then you can enable this toggle and write the header message in this field. Next one is the footer message. This message is going to send to the users at the end of the conversation. It is used for sending contact information or thank you messages. If you want to add it, then you can write in this box. After that, the next one is the stop keywords. Stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant, as if you entered any stop keyword in this field and the user will send any of the keyword to your AI assistant, then the conversation will become stopped. And on that point, a human reply is needed to start the conversation. Here I am not adding any stop keyword, so I am disabling this. Next one is the retry attempts. Retry attempts define as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give the response to your users if something gets wrong. And the last one is the fallback message. The fallback message is the message that's sent to the users if the AI assistant fails to reply due to some technical errors such as the API key failure or the connection problem. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to the user's WhatsApp account for the better conversation. Moving forward, the next one is the knowledge source, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. See, the knowledge base file is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge source, AI assistant will give business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge source, AI assistant gives general responses. As I told you earlier, in this tutorial we are going to create an AI assistant for recruiters. So for that, I have already designed one knowledge source. Here I am going to show you. See, this is the knowledge base file that I have created for AI recruitment assistant, where I have entered all the related information and some FAQs too. So this is how the knowledge source file look like. After that, you just have to click on this files option and download this file in PDF format. Here you have to make sure that your file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or PDF. As our file is downloaded successfully, so I am dragging and dropping this file here, and see how easy the knowledge source file is uploaded. Moving forward, next is the assistant interface, where you can design your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I am going to enter a heading as AI sales chatbot that boosts conversation by 10x. Here I have entered this heading as a test example. You can add your own business specific AI assistant name here, and you can see that as soon as I have entered the heading, it will automatically change here too. So this is the final look of your AI assistant that will be visible in front of your user. Next, the subheading I have entered as we are online and happy to assist you. The initial message I have written as hi there, how can I help you today? Here I have added only one initial message, but you can add two. Next one is the label that is powered by Pabbly. This is this label. You can also disable this if you want to. And the footer text I have entered as privacy and policy, and the footer link is this. The user's first message is written as I need help, that I am going to replace with hello. After that, I am moving forward to the styling, where you can give style to your AI assistant by changing its themes, color, shapes. Here I am not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, I am enabling this toggle so that my AI assistant will be active, and clicking on the save AI assistant button. See, it is saved, and this is how the AI assistant will be created inside Pabbly Chatflow. The next button is the embed. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites or any other application. After doing this setup, I am clicking on the settings option and clicking on this inbox settings option, opening it in a new tab. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow, where you just have to scroll down and you will be see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings, where you have to enable this toggle, that is enable AI auto replies. And here you can select the contact list, that I am going to select as all contacts, and the AI assistant I am going to select as AI sales chatbot that boosts conversation by 10x, as I want to set this AI assistant for all of my contacts. After that, I will click on the save button. See, the inbox settings saved successfully in here. I also want you to know that if you want to set your AI assistant for any specific contacts, then you just have to click on this inbox option. After that, select the contact on whom you have to set your AI assistant and click on this choose AI assistant button. After that, select this AI assistant from here that you want to set, that I'm going to select as this. After that, I will click on the save button. See, this is how the AI assistant should be set up for any specific user. Now the setup of our AI assistant is completed. After that, I'm going to test this AI assistant to check whether it is working perfectly or not by sending a message to this AI assistant. Let's say I'm sending a message as hello. Then it replies to me like this, that hi there, how can I help you today? So I am asking a question to this AI assistant as share me the available jobs. Then it says that please specify the types of jobs or the field you are interested in. So I am sharing the field as IT, and then you will be see I have received the list of IT job roles from this AI assistant that includes the software developers, system administrator, network engineer, and many more. The next question I am asking to this AI assistant is that can I apply for jobs through WhatsApp? Then it replies to me like this. Now I am asking one more question, that how will interview scheduling happen? Then it replies to me like this. Lastly, I am asking the question, tell me about the salary package. See, it replies to me like this, and it is visible that the AI assistant is giving me the accurate answer regarding the recruitment. So this is how it works. Now, if you face any difficulties or you have any questions on the creation of this AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And if you want me to create a specific AI assistant for your own business, then comment your business name below. I will create a tutorial on it too. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated AI assistant for your own business. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.